nakakaalam, lalo na ng mga bagong henerasyon, na si Miss Liza Lorena ay naging first runner-up sa Binibining Pilipinas noong 1966. At isang flight stewardess by profession. Pagkatapos ng pageant, she was asked by Dr. Jose Perez of Sampaguita Studios to audition, and the rest is history.
She won her first Best Supporting Actress Award for Oro Plata, Mata, in 1983, a Best Actress Award for MMFF in 1986 for Halimao Sabana, and several Best Supporting Actress trophies until 2011. When she won another Best Actress Award for Persa.
Sadyang napakaganda ng kanyang karera sa pelikula, mula sa pagiging beauty queen hanggang sa pagiging actress. More than 50 years of making films and television programs that left a mark in the industry every time.
It is our pride and honor to present the Nora Honor Uliran Artista Lifetime Achievement Award to Miss Liza Lorena.
Presenting the trophy, our PNPC President, Rodel Fernando, and past Presidents Fernando Guzman, Roldan Castro, Mel Ballanera, Julie Bonifacio, and Romel Gonzalez. Together with national artist, Nora Honor.
Short and sweet kasi gutom na tayo. Thank you PNPC for this recognition. And I'm very happy kasi it's in the name of my kumare, Ate Guy. Well, actually, ang alam ko, pareho kami nag-umpisa ng year ni Guy, 1967. So, 57 years na kami nasa industriya. And we're still walking and we're still up and about. So, anyway, after all the movies and the series and the sitcom that I've done, I am thankful to the Lord for giving me good health and good memory na pwede pang memorize pag nag-shooting. And I only hope and I pray na muling maging masigla ang ating industry. Sana lagi natin itong iligin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Get ready for the next set of awards as the Star Awards for Movies will be right back.